Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Surula, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So today we are going to discuss about what is bulky uterus. See, bulky uterus can be defined in very simple terms. When a patient is non-pregnant, in a non-pregnant stage, yet her uterus is bulky or enlarged, as we can say, or you can otherwise in normal layman language, you can also say it as like swollen. But not the inflammation kind of swelling where there is no water in it. It is simplifiedly, it is just this tissue that is being enlarged. If that is the condition, then that is called as bulky uterus. What is bulky uterus? In a non-pregnant stage, if the uterus is enlarged, not without any water intake, but because of the tissue it has been enlarged, and that is called bulky uterus. Now coming to the consultation option, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we have two kinds of consultation options. If you're someone who's staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. Otherwise, if you're staying far away from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation option or through the video consultation option. Once the consultation has been done or your medical records have been verified, especially to online clients, medicines will be door delivered to you. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days, USA 3 to 5 business days. Apart from that, anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to contact us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us on this number, or messages on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. Here we have discussed how homeopathy has better choice in treating these kind of diseases. Now we will be discussing how Fidicus Homeopathy is a better choice in homeopathy. See, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here, especially, we are following 3 principles. We are experiencing high success rates in treating diseases like endometriosis, adenomyosis, bulky uterus, fibroids, cervical erosion, dysmenorrhea. So the success rate is really high. Apart from that, the treatment is really transparent. What do you mean by that? The prognosis will be clearly explained to you. And then the personal care here at Fidicus Homeopathy is top notch. There is any sort of questions that you are facing, myths that you believe in, or any sort of questions regarding the medication, or any sort of questions regarding the disease prognosis, everything will be explained to you in detail. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.